Hello everyone. Let's make Countryballs animation on flipaclip. First of all, you should download image of country that you want to animate. Then open the image on flipaclip. Okay, now we need to make this image circle using eraser. And draw a line around the image. Great. The ball is ready. Okay. Next add some layers. Layer of face, layer of shadows. But you can make without shadows if you want. Great. Our country ball is ready. And you can make animation that you want.
This is Elon Musk.
Hey bro, look at this.
This is Elon Musk, Tesla's co-founder and CEO.
Wow, cool. And you look at this.
Hi, everyone. I'm Elon Musk.